YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a video that I know a lot of you people like, and I actually love making these videos, so it's a win-win situation. This video is also in collaboration with Desenio, and if you don't know them, it's this web shop that sells well, prints and beautiful frames. I have ordered a lot of new products here, and I got this big package from there, and let me just show you what I got. So it looks like this. Well, I'm into black frames right now, so I ordered a lot of them in different sizes. You will of course see where I put them later on. Actually, I have already started and put up one of the frames because I just couldn't wait. I was so excited. And then it looks like this. Then you open it and voila! There are all the posters. So now I'm just gonna put them into the frames, and then we are going to put them up in the apartment. Yay! Okay, let's start this tour, apartment tour. So we are now, as you can see, by the door. And when you come into our apartment, we have the bedroom to the right, and we have the living room and kitchen to the left, and also our office straight forward and to the right. But first we're going to start in the bedroom. Welcome. And as you can see, I chose these two posters with black frames over here. I have a thing for straws, as you can see, and as you will notice, I have them, if you look in the corner, I have them all over this apartment, so yeah, not shocking at all. Overall, I'm maybe not super happy with how this bedroom, what it looks like. I would like to have another color shade in here, because I don't like the gray, and I would like beige instead. Continue in the hallway. So here we have this old bureau. As you will see also in our apartment, there's a lot of new stuff, but mostly there's old stuff, like from my and Yuna's family, or things we have found secondhand. So yeah, I like the combination, and I think it looks more personal. So this is old and used to be my father's when he was a child. So let's continue into the living room, and as you probably also will see, there's a lot of green stuff. I love plants, green plants, and yeah, I like actually taking care of them. I feel like it's stress relieving. So yeah, I do like to have a lot of plants in our home. Another thing is that I like having shoes all over the place. But that's also because I like seeing them, because then it's easier to remember what you have and easier to remember to use them. And of course we have the new posters. Look at that. Actually, they are the same as the ones in the bedroom. Those cushions are from a Swedish brand called T. Herman, and they are also new. So now you can see it's all beige. I would like to have some color in here, and well, here you can see there's some kind of rusty brown tone, and I would like to find the same one and yeah, put that in the sofa too. I love about our apartment is that the kitchen and the kitchen and the living room is like in the same room, like connected. I feel like that gives like a better feeling in this whole apartment. And I love it when you have friends over, that you can do something in the kitchen, but at the same time you can talk to your guests. So that I like, and will probably want one of the most important things later on when we buy our own apartment, because this is just rented and it's 68 square meters. Yeah, looking at my boyfriend. And what you can see that is new in here, from Desenio of course, is that, I was going to say painting, but that poster. And that was the poster that I was so excited about that I just couldn't wait until I did this video. So yeah, it's so weird because I'm not a coffee drinker. I don't drink coffee at all, only sometimes some iced coffee and cappuccinos with caramel. But that's it. But I feel like every time I see coffee on a picture, it looks so beautiful. I love the colors, I love the feeling, so yeah, I love it, and I think it goes perfect in our apartment. And then I did some redecorating in this corner, but I'm not sure if it will stay that way because I just did it only like just now before we are doing this video. This was also one of the things that we loved about this apartment when we moved in here. Still love it, of course, and one thing that made us rent this apartment. So yeah, and I love it because it's so open somehow. Kitchen table and stairs. Chairs. And a lot of plants, of course. This is also a new poster. I love champagne. I love the 20s like feeling. So yeah, two nice things in one poster. Yeah, I guess that's the kitchen. So let's move on to the next part. These are also posters from Desenio, but from a previous collaboration. And how lovely isn't fruits? I love the colors they give this apartment, because as you can see, it's not a lot of colors in here. I prefer having it that way. Now, our office, this is where the magic happens, so to say. Here I spend a lot of hours during the day. As an entrepreneur, of course, this is like my main workspace. More posters from Desenio, actually, but from a previous collaboration. So as you can see, I really do love their products. It's not only that I use or do this collaboration and then like throw them away. I really do like them. So yeah, that's that. And I'm actually waiting for a Voga styling customer. So here I have the papers ready with the questions I'm going to ask her. So yeah, here we also have customers, and well, of course, I think you can see that this is not my space. It's the man behind the camera's space. And then we also, of course, have the vad är det här?
Bathroom.
The bathroom, of course. But it's actually not much to see. I mean, it's fresh, but it's not the place we like the most. It's way too small, but it's working. What else do you really need? but it's not decorated in any special way because there's not enough space. But yeah, so are you happy with our apartment, even though it's your girlfriend that made most of the decorations? Well, he always yes, he always say that he's not like happy with the result, like the interior, but still, like when I ask him, is this okay, would this work, do you like this? Yeah, I don't know, yeah, well maybe, so he never knows, so of course it's my taste then. Yes, but see you guys in my next video. Hope you liked this apartment tour. Ask if you want to know anything. See ya. Bye.